So hello everyone, my name is Parij Khan and I have created this beautiful landing page with the help of FlexBox, Material UI and yes, Reactjs. So it's a beginner level project. If you are still learning Reactjs, then it's this one is good for you. And I inspired by Orizon because I see that this design on that site. So I will give the credit down below. So it's just a simple responsive landing page. As you can see, I implemented some animation here, and this one is button, and this one is extra items. And whenever you hover on it, it will like grow and rotate. So it's responsive. So some we can say it's a model. So I've added it. So there is a no functionality in it. It's just a UI part. So you can see for responsive we have used Flexbox. So my laptop is not that good, that's why it's stucking. It's not that smooth. So everything is working fine, but there's a no functionality. So I uploaded this code in my GitHub. You can check it here. So I will give this link down below. So here's the code. So there's only one JavaScript code, which is main. There's no any other page. It's just a page landing, single landing page. So there is only one CSS style, there's one JavaScript code, and there's a one image we have imported because it too large, so it takes more loading time. So that's why I that downloaded the image and I imported other images directly from the link. So this one is so I will showing you the code. So okay, there's a state hook for opening and closing the model. You can see this one is a model. It's just there's a boolean state. Okay, just for opening and closing the model. This one is the main code. Okay, and that one is a model code from here to here. So all the four shoes wrap in this box, and that one single box is here. Okay, so so that one whole body, this whole box wrap into here, from here to here. That one is a main image and that one is a for button. So I made these for the button logo. So you can see there's a typography type. Inside of typography there is a button. Applied CSS styling, so all the CSS style is here, so you can check once. If you don't understand, then I can write whole the code again with the help of with style if you want. So it will better way for I can write the code in more professional way. And this code is for beginner level, right? I give all the class name for the each of the tag. So all the CSS applying from here. But next time if you want, if I get a good response in this video, I will try to make another project with the help of with the style, and I explain everything step by step. So that's it for today. Just wrap it. Thank you. Have a good day, guys. Bye.